My name is Jason Welch, and I'm a hospitalist with Mercy Health System. I guess I wanted to be a physician ever since I was even before high school. I guess just going to the doctor's office, I always thought it was neat that you could go in and they could do something to make you feel better. I see patients that are acutely ill that have to be admitted to the hospital. So any patient that goes into the emergency room and they can't just treat them in an hour or two and make them better and get them to go home, and then they call me and we come down to the emergency room and take over their care. When I see any patient, I always try and think of how I would want my family members or myself to be taken care of. Mercy is a unique place to work because it's like a large hospital, but it's not a large hospital. It's small and I know everybody. I know every single doctor in the hospital by name and face, and so I think that's pretty neat.